Guys, Centro of Bacolod City. That side, the right hand side is the plaza. Further down is the Plaza Mart. And this is the usual shopping center before the mall. And that side there is Central Market. Okay. And I'm on the minibus. It's not a jeepney, it's a minibus.